Hey guys, do you want to hear the 5 most annoying sounds? Here we go. Well, that are the 5 most annoying sounds you can make. Goodbye.